Happy 18th birthday, Dai. It's such an honor to be back in your 18th birthday. I still remember the first time we met, how we became close, and fun. We shared dreams and secrets.
Anak ba 10? Anak ba niya? Ismail ba? Mag-picture.
Smile lagi Pijay.
Basta mag-tawata, mag-Ismail mo na.
Pijay, smile ba? Punta na ba na? Ay, lakmin.
Moroy ka.
Okay, thank you so much, Rihanna Morales. And next, Mary Kay Torres.
So, this candle symbolizes a light in your life na guidance ka sa imong mga future decisions, and then continue to be good and be a role model sa imong mga cousins kay you're the eldest kuan man nila cousin, and then happy birthday. That's all.
Okay. Papak.
Mo-appeal jud ko.
Hasin ka turay. Chores Legos.
Kaya po. Ano ay? Nabuhay ng microphone. Kaya po. Kuha ng microphone.
Happy legality me. Today marks a significant milestone in your life, and I'm incredible and honored to witness this special moment with you. I remember we were just a little kid, full of wonder and curiosity about the world. Your laughter was contagious, always brought joy to everyone around you. Watching you grow, learn, and transform over the years has been nothing short of inspiring. Surround yourself with love, cherish the friendship you have, and never stop believing in yourself. We are so proud of you. Again, happiest birthday, me. Enjoy your special day.
Next, Sofia Talaubo. Genevieve.
Basta na lang. Yan. Pwede, mga po lang. Ay, ano lang.
Siya may Tibon. Picture.
My wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big and your world stays small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out getting there, where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants to say things to. Again, happy 18th birthday, Mom.
One, two,
Next, Janice Vilota. Ano? Sharish Fuentes.
Bye, Carol, sila palulog. Gawas mo kayo.
Hello! Buhay pa tayo.
Bye, ga.
Morning kayo. Ang kuan, music day.
Gawas mo kayo. Nakikire. Ay, Samuel, ako na yung muntika. Ayaw ko pa rin. Kita din bigay.
We have known each other for quite some time now, and I can imagine the time flies so fast when we are celebrating your engagement day. We would not have expected to hear it take fast enough for our family to with each other. Those years, full of chicas and struggles, larger than ours, I have really grown into this beautiful and gorgeous girl. Happy birthday, Leiko. Stay up for
Genevieve Corrado.
One,
Janice Vilota. Vina Carbonello.
Ako na, ay. Ako na.
Garaman. Ganesha. Mama na tubig ka sa. Ano na siya yaan?
Sunod, eh?
Ay,
I wish you all the best in life and may all your dreams come true. I wish you. Enjoy your special day and God bless you.
nangitan ako.
Thank you. Next, Angeli Hermio. Next, Bitsy and Pano.
Happy birthday. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best. Good health always, and God bless.
Kevin Sibalius.
Happy 18th birthday, you are now a true adult. I hope you achieve all your dreams in life, and I wish you all the happiness and success in the world. And I hope you never forget to once again, happy birthday to this remarkable woman who brings joy and sunshine to every heart. I picture.
Next, Maurice Rapis. Maurice. Si Jeneline Torado. Best.
Sasakyan mo.
Okay, let's move to ang cameraman yung mag-adjust. Next, ready mo si Bula Sinta.
Wait, soundless.
Happy birthday, May. Ay, gabihin yung tanan. Ay, gabi. Nalipay kayo mo. Mag-iusap na ganon. May. Hindi. Yes, boy.
Next, Raisa Delio.
Happy birthday, Ate May.
Thank you. Picture session. Next. Auntie Jen Torado.
Wait, inilay.
Dito side view.
Ang akong message kay isa secret. Only the toe was no.